We are given two equations. 2 to the power x times 5 to the power y equals 25. And 2 to the power y times 5 to the power x equals 4. We have to find x plus y. First, let's rewrite the numbers on the right as powers of primes. 25 is 5 squared, and 4 is 2 squared. Now, we take the natural logarithm of both sides. This gives x times ln 2 plus y times ln 5 equals 2 times ln 5. The second equation becomes x times ln 5 plus y times ln 2 equals 2 times ln 2. Next, we add these two equations together. This gives x times the sum of ln 2 and ln 5 plus y times the sum of ln 2 and ln 5 equals 2 times the sum of ln 2 and ln 5. We can factor out the sum of ln 2 and ln 5. So, x plus y times the sum of ln 2 and ln 5 equals 2 times the sum of ln 2 and ln 5. Since the sum of ln 2 and ln 5 is not 0, we divide both sides by that sum. And this gives us x plus y equals 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this.